Hey guys, what's up? It's Matt Cubers, and in this video I have an unboxing from Cublero.com. So let's get into it. So I will cut it now. It's pretty well packed, as you can see. So here's the package. Sorry for the shaking. Now here's the bill, my invoice and that, so you don't need that. Here's the puzzle, and here I have a cute little pouch. Oh, this is of orange color. I didn't have an orange pouch, so that's great. So this is an orange cute little pouch. And anything we have here? No. So what I have here is the Moyu Aosu 4x4. So yeah. So package, the box is pretty much open, so let's get into it. So this is the pamphlet, as you can see. This more pamphlet, I don't need that. So let's get into the puzzle. Here's the box, and now the puzzle. So it is wrapped, so I will open it now. There we go. So here's the Aosu 4x4. So this is the Aosu, and out of the box the stickers feel nice, they're the standard shades, and I quite enjoy them. So now out of the box, let's try the first turns. First turn, yeah, it's really tight. As you can see, it's really tight. But it's very smooth. As you can see, it's locking up a bit, but I think after breaking it would be awesome. And I will also lube it up. But out of the box, it is not that spectacular, but still not that. So let's check out of the box corner cutting. Yeah, out of the box, it can cut about line to line, but it's out of the box. It's very tight. I have to tension it and reverse that much, like that. And I will do some algorithms. And it flows very well. It's a bit slow now, as I said, and I have to break it in and lube it. So that's pretty much it for this unboxing, guys. And I will also be reviewing this cube and say my opinions on it, but we have to wait for that. And I will have the review in 5 or 6 days, maybe in 1 week. So yeah, so this is my Aosu unboxing. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you already have done so, please subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.